Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make one of my favorite snacks, banana oat muffins. They're super easy, super nutritious. I'm gonna take the bananas and mash them up. The bananas add a nice sweetener to these muffins. The browner they are, the better. Kind of mash it up. I also have the oven preheating at 350. So it should look like this. All right, now I'm gonna add my eggs. And you can whisk those. Now we're gonna add some Greek yogurt. I use the 2%. You could also use 1% or whole. I've done both. Doesn't really make a difference. And this is 7 ounces. Or you could do like a little less than a cup. Throw all of that in there and mix it up. Now we're gonna add some vanilla, about a teaspoon. I'll add some good flavor, mix it up. Now I'm gonna set this aside and move over to the dry ingredients. So here I have 2 cups of blended rolled oats. So I just took oats and blended them, and now you have this nice oat flour. So I'm gonna add some baking soda and baking powder. We're gonna do a teaspoon of each. So first the baking powder, and now the baking soda. Add some cinnamon in as well. About 1 to 2 teaspoons is perfect. I usually just eye it, and I really like cinnamon, so I probably usually do a little more than that. So now I'm just gonna mix up the dry ingredients. Now I am going to add the dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. Get a mixing spoon and mix it all together, folding it in until it's well combined. Okay, so now we got the batter all ready. We just need to add our blueberries. You can also add chocolate chips. Sometimes I do that, but I don't have any right now. So we're just gonna add about a cup of frozen blueberries. Yes, it will turn your batter blue. Sometimes I do raspberries, and if you like a little extra fruit, you can always add more. Batter is done. Now I have my muffin tin. I have some olive oil here that I'm gonna spray. Get the pan ready so that the batter doesn't stick when we're done. If you don't have to spray, that's fine. You can just drizzle and rub it around the edges a little bit, but that should be good. You can also use the muffin liners if you prefer it. Now you can scoop the batter into the muffin pan. I like to use this size ice cream scoop, and it just kind of makes certain that they're all even and they make for nice sized muffins. So I take a scoop and pop it right in there. This should make just about 1 muffin pan, depending on how big you make them. These are ready to be put in the oven. So now that they've started to cool, I started to take my knife around them and just loosen them up. Sometimes they stick just a little bit, so I just kind of turn them and take them out one by one. Once they're done, they make for a great snack. I like to put them in some sort of reusable baggie and freeze them. That way they stay nice and fresh, and then I can pull them out anytime I want a snack. They don't take very long to thaw. You can also microwave them if you want to heat them up before you snack on them. These are the oat muffins.